wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Bibi Lestari with my NIM 442411551.
My name is Aisyah Kinanti Mustika Nurul with my NIM 44240479.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. I'm Bibi and today I'm here with my friend.
Hi everyone, thank you for inviting me. I'm happy to be here.
Today we're going to talk about something that almost every student knows. Artificial intelligence or AI. Nowadays, AI is everywhere, especially on campus.
Yes, that's true. I think almost every student has used AI at least once.
Hahaha, I think so too. Even my friend use AI almost every day.
Same here. It's becoming a part of student daily life.
So, let me ask you first. Do you use AI?
Yes, I do.
Really? How often?
Maybe 3 or 4 times a week usually when I don't understand a lesson or need help finding ideas.
Oh, so you don't use it to your assignments?
No, of course not. I only use it to help me understand the topic first.
That's good. I think AI is useful if we know how to use it properly.
Exactly. AI should help us learn, not replace our learning.
What do you think is the biggest advantage of AI for students?
For me, it saves a lot of time. Sometimes I read a textbook, but it's difficult to understand. AI can explain it in simple words.
Yeah, I agree. Sometimes the explanation in book is too complicated.
Right. I can also give examples, summaries, or even explanations step by step.
I like that too. It makes studying less stressful. But some people say AI makes studying lazy. What do you think?
Well, I think it depends on the student.
What do you mean?
If students only copy and paste AI answer, then yes, that's a problem. They won't learn anything.
Yeah, that's true.
But if students use AI only as a learning tool, I think it's actually very helpful.
I totally agree with you. Have you ever seen your friends use AI in the wrong way?
Honestly, yes.
Really?
Some of them just ask AI to finish the whole assignment.
Yes. Without reading it first?
Yes.
Wow. I don't think that's a good idea.
Me neither. They may get good grades, but they don't really understand the lesson.
So, do you think universities should allow students to use AI?
Yes, but there should be clear rules.
Can you explain?
For example, students can use AI to find information, understand difficult topics, or check grammar, but they shouldn't submit AI generated work as their own.
This a fire for you.
Yeah.
Really? I read that UNESCO also talks about AI in education.
Oh, really? What does it say?
UNESCO says AI can improve learning if it's used responsibly and ethically.
Yes, I read something similar. They also encourage school and universities to teach students how to use AI wisely.
So the problem is AI itself.
Exactly, the real problem is how people use it.
Besides studying, do you use AI for anything else?
Sometimes I use it to practice English or organize my study schedule.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah, it can also help me check grammar before I submit an assignment.
I think that's a smart way to use AI. So, after our discussion, can you tell us your final opinion?
Sure, I believe that AI is useful tool for university students. It can make learning easier and faster. I believe AI is useful university tool students. It can make learning easier and faster, but we should use it responsibly. We will need to think critically and do our own work.
I completely agree. AI should support our learning, not replace it.
Exactly.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for having me. And thank you everyone for listening to our discussion about AI and English.
You're welcome. Thank
We
you for
hope
having me.
we hope you enjoy it and learning something new. See you in our next discussion. See you. Goodbye, everyone.
Welcome back everyone. Now we're going to continue with our second topic, which is why university students should learn English. I think this topic is very interesting because we are also university students.
Yes, that's right. English is something we use almost every day, especially in college.
Exactly. So let me ask you first, do you like learning English?
Honestly, yes, but sometimes it's a little difficult.
Same here, especially when I have to speak English in front of the class.
Yes, I always feel nervous.
I think many students feel the same way.
Exactly, but we still have to keep practicing.
Okay, why do you think English is important for university students?
I think English is important because many books, journal, and research articles are written in English. If we study English, it's easier for us to learn new knowledge.
Okay, that's true. Sometimes I find reference on Google, but they are all in English.
Yes, me too. If we can understand English, we may miss a lot of useful information.
Okay, besides studying, how can English help us in the future?
It can help you get a better job. Nowadays, many companies when employees work can speak English.
Yes, especially international companies.
Exactly. English is also useful if we want to apply for scholarship or continue our studies abroad.
That's one my dream too.
Really? That's great. Then English will definitely help you.
I hope so. Do you think English is also important in technology?
Of course, most application, website, and software use English.
Yeah, even our phone use English sometimes.
Exactly. And if we have a problem with it on application, most tutorial on YouTube are also in English.
That's true. I usually watch English tutorials too. Some students say English is difficult. What do you think?
I understand why they do that. English grammar and pronunciation and spelling.
Pronunciation is the hardest part for me.
Same. Sometimes I know how to spell a word, but I don't know how to pronounce it correctly.
Exactly. Sometimes I feel embarrassed to speak.
Me too. But I think making mistakes is not normal.
How do you usually improve your English skill?
I like watching English movie with subtitles.
Oh, that's fun.
Yes, I also listen to English song and try to understand the lyrics.
Really? I usually watch YouTube videos.
That's also a good way to practice.
So, learning English doesn't always have to be boring.
Exactly. We can learn while having fun.
Have you ever used English in real life?
Yes, a few times. Sometimes a communication with people on social media, you use English when looking for information online.
Oh, that's interesting.
Even if my English is perfect, I still try to use it.
I think confidence is more important than being perfect.
I agree. The more we practice, the better we'll become.
I also read the British Council says English is one of the most important international language.
Yes, that's true. English is widely used in education, business, skills, and technology.
So, learning English opens more opportunities.
Exactly. It helps you communicate with people from different countries.
Okay, before we end this discussion, can you give one piece of advice for university students who want to improve their English?
Sure. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Practice a little every day. You can watch movies, listen to music, read articles, or even talk with your friend in English. The most important thing is to keep practicing.
I totally agree. Learning English takes time, but if we practice consistently, we'll definitely improve.
Exactly.
Thank you so much for sharing your opinion today.
Okay, you're welcome. Thank you for inviting me.
And thank you to everyone who listened to our podcast today. We hope our discussion was useful and interesting.
See you next time. Goodbye, everyone.